Are you a business student, analyst, or professional looking to master business analytics with Python? Well, here is something exciting for you. Our new book, Business Analytics with Python: Essential Skills for Business Students, is now available on Amazon. The link is down below in the description. This book is designed to help to bridge the gap between business and data analytics. No prior coding experience is needed. You will learn Python from scratch, tailored for business applications. You will analyze real-world data sets. You will master data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. You will build predictive models from scratch and using scikit-learn. And the book will walk you through many use cases in marketing, finance, and operations. We wrote this book because we have seen so many business students struggle with analytics. But trust me, once you learn Python, you will gain a huge competitive edge in your career. Whether you're aiming for consulting, finance, or data-driven decision-making, this book will give you the necessary skills. Order your copy today on Amazon, both in paperback and Kindle editions. Search for Business Analytics with Python, Essential Skills for Business Students, or check out the link below. If you're serious about leveraging data for better business decisions, this book is a great starting point. If you're serious about leveraging data for better business decisions, this book is for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more business and analytics content, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Enjoy the joy of business analytics. See you soon.